Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead. I have my wife and my daughter here with me. And today we need to build a temporary shelter for one of our horses that has tore a tendon on its back leg. So basically we are going to use the round pen to keep her separated from our young horse. And we just collapsed it down to 12 by 12. And now we're going to try to make a temporary shelter on top to kind of keep the wind and the rain off of her. And I've got my labor hands here with me. But anyways, I'm gonna go in here and show y'all what's going on with her. This is Hannah's first barrel horse. She's 21 now, and you can see how she's holding her leg up right there. Let's see if she'll let me come over here. So this tendon right here, where my hand is, right here, is torn, and all this is swelled up. So we had to minimize her movement because our young horse over there is now the alpha horse and chases her off from everything. We're gonna get after this. We got a lot of cold weather coming in, a lot of rain, and she has no way to get to shelter.
Keep pulling. You gonna lay them down or you gonna reach up?
You can just lay them down where they're kind of going to be.
We're looking great at long legs lately.
Maybe.
And see how Dad laid his? Not like the way you laid yours. You gonna cut it after it's already up there?
Yeah, I think so. That way I know exactly where I'm at. You got it?
Got it. I almost didn't have it.
How'd you know what happened?
Yeah, well, I was going this way. Why are you wearing two t-shirts?
Because I'm always wearing the same shirts on video.
Ah.
So I was trying to stay warm and have a different shirt.
Okay. Yes, it does. She might be cute, but she got snagger braids. You're tall. That would have been good to record for your channel, but nobody thought to do it.
What?
You taught Jeff how to unstick his tractor.
I know. Yeah, that would have definitely been.
I'm going to tell him to stick it. Oh, hey, you drive it again.
These things.
Hey, Titi. Yo, Titi, you're so fine. Titi.
We need some torch things to use.
Put the rest of
start at 5, maybe like the heat races, not like the actual big races.
Yeah.
That's okay. Because that takes a while, but still, I might be late.
Hey, Mickey, you're so funny. Mickey. Hey, Mickey, you're so funny. You're so funny.
Molly looks like she's like about to die.
Hey, Mickey, you're so funny. You're so funny. Hey, Mickey, take me down the hall. Take me down the Hey, Mickey, you're so funny. You're so funny. Hey. You broke this.
Woo!
Did you bring another battery?
I bring them up, baby.
Let me.
Oh, 62 inches.
Probably what you got on the ground.
Oh, I'm standing on it. Isn't that what, 5'2"? So then that's right.
Yeah. Inside or outside? Where are we?
Inside.
Inside.
You alright? Go on over there, woman.
Into the poop. Man, if she would have fallen into the poop.
That would not have been good. Can I get down?
No, you can help me.
Can I get down?
Okay.
Yeah.
For the moment.
You let go.
Hey. A little bit nasty, but it's a soft landing.
All right, so we've got the outline of the per se roof. Hopefully I won't have to go back and put anything in here. We're going to try to make it tight enough just by pulling it and stretching it down that it won't hold water. If it holds water, then we'll have to go in here and do something different. I need to cut the tops of these off and I guess the ends off, and then we can put the tarp down. All right, so we got it all framed out, and the girls are going somewhere tonight, so we're running out of time. The weather won't be here till tomorrow. But we went ahead and put the feed bucket in here. So we put her feed bucket in here to kind of get her used to this without the tarp on it. And she's a little hesitant, but she did go in there. Tomorrow we'll finish this out, feed her, get in here. We moved her water out here to this outside. So we'll see how it goes. So we're giving her some pain medication. It's Provocox. It's a half a tablet, and we put it in with her feed so we make sure she gets it. And just like that, it's gone. All right, we got her some fresh water in there. We'll finish filling that up, and then we're gonna finish this tomorrow. So we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, everybody, we're back the next morning, and we've got to get this tarp on, and we picked up a new helper, some more labor hand, free labor, child labor. So, who are you?
The adopted child.
Let's do this again. Who are you?
The adopted child.
All right, I appreciate your free labor. Just don't tell your parents that I made you work for no pay.
Okay.
God, I don't want pay.
So we don't get paid around here, they just get fed. And you know, horse is expensive. So we're gonna stretch this tarp over, screw it down, see how this goes now. Cicely, she was fed in here this morning, everything went fine. I imagine once we start moving the tarp around, she's gonna move on out of there. And then we'll desensitize her again by feeding at the front of the temporary shelter. So quickly, I want to go over what we did. We just put in temporary posts with ratchet straps. We put in 6. We cut the top with at an angle. We put everything as 2x4s, and we're just going to start the tarp here, go down, and end it back there. And that's facing north, so we'll get the north wind blocked for. Now, whether we decide to put something on this west wall, I don't know yet. It's just something temporary, and not going to build a barn or anything out here because we're not going to stay here. We're going to build a new house back there.
We're not going to unwrap it.
Heather, you need to feed it. You're not feeding. Don't pull it, baby.
Okay, y'all at the top?
Here we go.
You want it to loop up over the edge, Chris?
Hold on a second. Hey, you stay right there, baby.
Oh,
Please don't.
oh, very far.
Both y'all pressure. Pressure. Pull it hard.
Get off of that. Hey, off.
Keep pulling hard.
Oh.
Okay. Are you pulling tight?
I mean, I have 3 jobs.
You got 3 jobs?
Yeah.
Do you need another one?
No, I'm pulling it. And I hold my boots.
All right.
And then we were just walking and we were trying to get them, but they kept I kept running away from us. But then eventually we chased them back to the pasture, and it took like 30 minutes to get them back to them. You can just,
She got short legs.
put one foot here and keep that other foot there.
of our lines here. I'm trying to pull it up on one side. They're like, oh, no, it's in the backyard. Nobody can see it. Hi, Titi. You ain't see it.
Everybody on YouTube is seeing it. What are you talking about? Hey, too short.
You seriously?
I just put a hole in it.
Did it make noises? It's gonna make noises. Girl. We're not going nowhere.
All right, well, we've got it all secured down. We just use screws with fender washers, stretched out tight. We may end up putting a board right in the center to catch anything from sagging. I think water's going to hold right here and right here. But we're out of wood, even though my wife's a big woodworker. So we're out of wood right now. But so this is just temporary. It should get her through the winter into the spring. She'll probably be in here a couple of months. Until she can put pressure back on that leg. I hope this gives y'all some ideas for any kind of temporary horse shelter that y'all might need to use. We didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money, so we just used leftover post. Had to buy some 2x4s and fender washers and a tarp. So anyways, that's all I have for you.
If you haven't already subscribed, do it and like the video. Bye. I like that one.
Oh.